Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your wire and you're gonna wanna leave about 4 to 5 inches, kind of as straight as you can. And then from there on, you're gonna kind of wanna kink up your wire. So I'm not putting like loops or knots in it, I'm just trying to make it not smooth. You're just gonna wanna do that throughout your whole wire. Okay, then you're gonna straighten it out a little bit. Okay, so then with your smooth side, you're gonna thread your beads on, however many you're wanting to do. And the idea is to put as many beads as children you have, or children that you're giving this to have, but that is not, you don't have to do that. So I'm just doing one with 6, just to see what that's like. So anyone who has 6 kiddos. So then once your beads are all on, you're going to wrap it around and make a circle. And then I'm going to take the tail of it and just put it back behind like that. Okay? And then you're going to take your wire and you're going to make about 5 loops or circles or kind of around your beads. They don't need to be perfect, but you kind of want them to be closer to your circles, not super far spaced. And the nice thing about this craft is it doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, it looks better if it isn't. Kind of gives it that more rustic, like a little birdie made it. Okay, so after about that, then you're going to take the other end of your wire, and we're going to wrap it around about 3 times. You kind of want it to be as tight as you can. Once you've done that, then you're going to take the end and you're just going to kind of weave it through the back a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of randomly go between these other ones and make it to the other side. So I'm just going to kind of weave it through that way. Undid what I just did. Okay. And then once you've done that, then you're gonna do the loopy thing again, going through all the circles. You want to do that 3 times. And then we'll go back through across the way. Do another loopy. Then we're going to go back over again and repeat that. Loop through through all those. On this side. Okay, now that's done. Now we're gonna kind of fill in the gaps, and obviously you can see the back, so we're gonna do our best to kind of fill that up. So I'm just gonna be weaving it kind of in and out. And there's really no rhyme or reason, I'm just kind of looking to see where it's kind of missing. I'd like to fill in some space. Okay, once you've kind of filled in the blanks where you felt like it needed it, then you're gonna weave the other end as close to the top as you can. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist the two wires together. All the way to the end. And then you're gonna make a loop. Like so. And then you're gonna wrap it around the base of it, kind of the tail of it. And then you're gonna have a little bit of leftover, so you're gonna take some cutters, some wire cutters if you have them. And you're just gonna kind of clip off those ends and then kind of push those in. So as you can see, it looks pretty crazy messy in the back, which is fine. I think it adds to the little charm of the nest. And there you have it. There's the end. So then you just loop it through your chain. There you go. There is your finished bird's nest.